Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's a beautiful day out today. It's going to be up around 80. I thought I'd stop and clean up a little outboard that I bought from my brother recently. Thought you might be interested in it. The question is, will it start? I hope so. I hope it was a good deal. I bought it on a deal. He needs one for his boat. Thought you'd like to see it. Well, as you can see, it's a little 9.8 Merc. It's made in the 70s. One of the nice things about it is it's an electric start, and I wanted an electric start for him. I didn't want something that wasn't. The guy I bought it from said that it was all okay. I trust that it is. Let's see if I can get this off. There we go. I have my pressure washer out. I'm going to pressure wash it. It's got a little different spark plug wire on here. It looks like I'll need to buy a replacement wire that has a bent boot here. Otherwise, yeah, in fact that boot's a little bit messed up right there. But I've already taken the cover off and preparing for this. I zip tied me a bag over the front of the carburetor here so that I wouldn't get any water in it. But it's like any other one that you buy. They're dirty, and it's got a brake right here, and that's part of the system that holds. You see, that's loose, and so I'm either going to have that welded, or I know a guy who has an outboard shop, and I can probably get a middle piece here for it, so that's not a problem. After I clean it up, we'll check and see if it has oil in the foot. But here we go. Put this black end on. And you say, why are you doing that? Because that black end pulls soap from down here in my soap dispenser, and it allows me to soap it all up. So I'll soap this thing up real good and let it set. While I'm doing it, I'm going to soap up this 6-horse Johnson that I have over here. I bought it recently too, thinking I'd make it work for brother. But instead, I believe I'm going to give him that 9.8 because it's the electric start version. But this is a nice motor right here. We need to clean it up, whether we use it or not. The guy told me that this 9.8 here, that the gears were good. I have put it in reverse and neutral and felt of them. They feel okay. He told me that it started and ran good. We'll see. Alright, I'm going to let that soak for a little bit. Then we'll come back. Afterwards, we'll come back after it's soaked for a while. We'll spray them off. Okay, I'll let them both sit here and dry, and then I'll come back to this one and we'll see if we can get it started and see if she does what the guy told me she'd do. Hopefully she'll start and it'll be a good little motor. Back shortly. Okay, I brought out a tank that I had in the house. It's actually the tank to this little 6-horse right here. I took the end off. This end right here, this Evinrude end. Slid the hose up on this. Gave it a pump or two and I can feel it tight. Let's choke it. It's in neutral. Cross our fingers. It hit. They look very new. They look nice and clean. This one's a little bit dirty. I have a plug cleaner over here. I'll clean them in my plug cleaner. Take the cover off. I've never used it before. I knew I would need it. Put your plug down in there. Hook your air up. There's an abrasive in here. Push the button. Look at that, it cleans the plug. We'll clean it a few more times. Cleans it right up. Take the end off. Put that pocket knife up. And there they are. 2 cleaned, reusable plugs. Okay, we put them back in. First thing I'm going to do, let me try this. Blow any gasoline that might be in there. Blow it out. Just snug them. That's all. Just snug. Okay. Tight. Bulb's tight. Try this again. There we go. It did start, and it does good. Well, not bad for a little budget motor that I bought from my brother. It's a 73, I think, 73, 45, somewhere in there. 9.8 Mercury. It should do the job for him. Looks like I may have to, of course I'm going to have to replace this wire right here because it's not correct. Get me another wire, and may have to take that off and put a different starter Bendix on there. Starter drive is what they're called. We call them Bendixes. Other than that, looks like she's going to do fine. I'll put some fluid in. I'll change the oil in the foot, and she'll be ready to go to the water. Thanks again for coming along with us. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. We appreciate you taking the time out of your life to watch our channel and to support us. God bless you. Hey, have a super day.